thought of an idea. Everything to do wrong, everything that you should do wrong, that you don't want to do in a tornado. Now, this is going to be hard to do, but, like, it might be cringy. But it's going to be funny. So, at least in a tornado, make sure you have the right helmet. Have food and water. And the most important thing is to take cover. And strap your helmet on. 2, hide in the bathtub. Sure to definitely take cover. Windows. Stay away from windows. Well, hope you guys like that. Wasn't the best? There will be later skits going on. I had fun doing this for like a minute, but like, it's content. Now I gotta put the video together. Like and subscribe. While I was editing the video, I realized that one of my cameras was upside down. 1, 2, I have a little bit of film of the storm that I'm having. It's a time lapse, so I hope you guys like that. Probably be doing that more. The time lapse of the storms. We've had huge lightning and thunder today. I saw a bolt today. So, like, I hope you guys like those.